Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add Binance Smart Chain to your Metamask wallet in 2023. So the steps are very easy. The first thing that you will need to do is go to Metamask and wait for it to load. Now I have already logged in my Metamask. So the first thing that you will need to do is click on this Ethereum mainnet and click on Add Network. Now we have to wait for it to load, and if we scroll down, as you can see, there is Binance Smart Chain, previously known as Binance Smart Chain mainnet. You simply go ahead and click on add and press on approve, and now it will give you the option to switch to Binance Smart Chain. So I will go ahead and switch to Binance Smart Chain, and if I open my account, Metamask account, as you can see, I am on Binance Smart Chain. So you can switch between Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. So it is this simple to add Binance Smart Chain. In case if there are other smart chains where you don't have the option to add those, then you can go ahead and add those manually. So you will need some information about smart chain first for adding it. And this is all about how you can add the BNB smart chain to your MetaMask. In case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.